पास ही में तो घर है, इसीलिए आपको मैंने कम दिया।
हाँ, कुछ इस तरह। पर मुझे भी तो प्यास लग सकता है, फिर मैं क्या करूं?
क्या बात कर रहे हैं, यही तो हम करते हैं पेरेंट्स।
क्या?
हम डिसाइड करते कितना चाहिए प्यार।
प्यार मतलब ये बोल रहे हैं ये थोड़ा प्यार है और या ज्यादा प्यार है?
ये मैं डिसाइड किया ना, मेरे को कितना चाहिए और आपको कितना चाहिए।
ट्रू, ऐसा होता है।
ऐसे जानने के लिए कैसा होता है, ये जानने के लिए मेरे पास बहुत सारे कहानियां हैं।
मुझे सुनना है।
एक ऐसे पेरेंट हैं जिन्होंने लाइक they felt that their childhood was not good. Why? Because their parents denied everything what they wanted. So they were only given books and whatever is needed for education, rest of the things parents said no. So the parent felt that as he started earning and he had his own child, he felt that everything that the child asks, it should be fulfilled.
Whatever the child asks.
Yes, whatever. Can you guess to what extent it can be?
मतलब at the mid of the night, if the child asks something, can they fulfill that?
Yeah, if it is possible for them, they will do it.
Wow.
Or if not, next day early morning or the earliest they can get it, they will get it.
Whatever the child asks, can they do because the child will grow. Whatever the child will ask, can they do all these things?
They did maximum for the child. Like everything. They gave him toys. They allowed him to play the games in the game station. They whatever the child asked, whatever kind of dress, how costly it was, whether it is needed or not was not the point. They gave everything the child asked.
But is it possible to give everything? Because the child will grow up and the child will have lots of other things. Is it possible?
Yeah, that is where the twist in life comes.
What happened?
As the child grew up getting everything that he wanted, there was a time the child had attraction towards a girl. He wanted that girl to reciprocate that attraction. And you know what happened?
Kya hua?
The girl denied.
Heartbreak?
Yes, the girl denied, and that was a shock for the child because nobody has said no to him till now.
And the girl is not a material that everything will be.
But he tried to tell his parents that I like this girl and I want this girl. You go and convince her parents.
Baapre. Then what happened?
The parents, they said it is girl's choice. If she wants, if she says yes, we support. If she doesn't want, we can't do anything. And both the mother and father of the girls were very cooperative in that matter. They heard the boys' parents and then they said no. Unless and until the girls say yes, we can't do anything. And that was a hard.
Love is not like that, no? It cannot happen.
Yeah, it cannot happen as I wish. Like I gave you a less glass of water thinking that you might need less.
Less, okay.
So I can't decide how much I want, right? Or how much you want. I can decide for myself, but I can't decide for you. Right? So that is
what happened to
the child went through a lot of psychological issues. The child had depression. He went for medication, anxiousness. And also he developed a kind of anger, which still now it is there. It is not addressed. So what do you think? This was a right way of bringing up the child?
No, I don't. We are not here to decide, but saying everything yes is not a solution.
Right. Giving everything in excess is not a solution, or it is not the way of life, right?
Right. Because as the child grows, there will be lots of issues which the parent cannot address or cannot provide.
Right.
So I don't think it is the right way, my point of view.
Yeah, there is even there is another example is similar. When the child grew up, when they have given everything he wanted, when the child grew up, as he saw the latest BMW bike, he wanted that. This is another story where the parents were crying how to provide it. He has money. It's not that he didn't have money, but he didn't have that kind of money that he could provide a BMW bike.
That's very costly.
Yes.
So somewhere we have to I mean, strike the balance.
See, when we are talking about striking the balance, how do you think it can be happened? By becoming very strict?
I don't think so. By becoming very strict, but saying no every time also is a problem, right?
Shamisha, that is not the case. There is another story with it.
Is it?
Yes. Here
Tell
is
me.
a girl child who is like very much fascinated with cars, bikes, and all. She wants to play with car.
Parent
Isn't
ने
it
नहीं दिया
amazing?
होगा, नहीं
No.
दिया होगा because girl child है.
And the parent wanted the child to have a doll house, dolls, Barbie, or any other doll. If you don't like Barbie, also, but any other doll.
Mm-hmm.
But the parent were here saying that we know what is best for her.
Mm-hmm.
She is looking at TV or the mobile and all. That is why she's saying, because she has seen a girl actress riding a bike. She feels that that is very fascinating, and that is why she's asking for the bike or a car.
Mm-hmm.
But we know that what is right. She being a girl, we know what is right, and that is why they didn't give the girl bike or car, but they got her a lots of doll. You won't believe, lot of doll, but she never played.
Because the child has something else in her mind. She doesn't want dolls, ना? ना जरूरी नहीं है कि girl मतलब you have to play with
So
dolls.
it would have been very good, na, if the parents have understood this. But there's an end here.
What happened?
As the child grew, the child wanted a bicycle. She wanted to ride every evening, and
नहीं दिया होगा.
नहीं,
डांस क्लास में डाल दिया क्या?
हाँ, वेरी राइट. अरे आपको कैसे पता चला?
नहीं, यही होता रहा है. I have seen many, मतलब गर्ल्स मतलब लचक आना चाहिए, वो ग्रेस होना चाहिए. क्या लड़के की तरह, मतलब वो कंपैरिजन होता है ना, तो व्हाट इज लड़के की तरह क्या वो शाम को साइकिल लेके घूमेगी?
Yeah.
ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है?
The parents had a lot of big ideas for the child. It is not that they felt that only grace or anything, but they felt this is important for a girl. Even she goes for a higher studies in a like anything that she wants to study. That is what they said. But they want the child to learn things what girls do.
Oh.
They're like dancing, singing. So the child also listened to the parent, because child is still very young to
Yeah.
say anything. So she listened to her parents. She followed her parents. She went for the class for 2-3 times, and then she said, "No, I'm not interested." She started finding excuses.
पेरेंट्स तो गुस्सा किए होंगे. They might have.
हाँ, parents said, parents गुस्सा भी किए, and they also said that कि whatever we do for her, she doesn't like anything.
Doesn't like anything.
But they never put an effort to understand. And this didn't stop here.
What happened?
As she grew up, as she went for the standard 10th, once she got a very good scoring in standard 10th, and since she got good mark in science and maths, the parents decided कि since she is getting 95 above in science, let her do +2 science. And
And she doesn't want.
she wanted to do humanities.
So she might be struggling, because I had seen many kids have
Yes,
like
with
this.
the parents' pressure and all those you can say and a kind of encouragement to do studies, always study. The child came into a stage where the child decided that she is not able to write her exams peacefully.
Oh, anxiety, stress, and
She,
everything. Because her heart is not
nowadays
there.
now she is in 11th, and whenever she goes for the exams, she gets black. Even though she studies, she becomes very anxious the previous night. She has sweating. She can't sleep, even if she has completed beforehand, because she is a good student. But she is not able to cope up with the pressure of the study, as she is not interested in this subject.
This subject, right? Because her heart is not there.
Yes.
She wants something else.
But I asked the parents why. They came to me when the child was like in 11th and not able to write the exams. So they came to me and told me why it is so. So they said, we love her and we know what is the best for her. She is still a kid to understand.
Yeah, I understand. Parents know that, but they should have somewhere. They should have spoke to her why they are doing or what they are doing. Isn't somewhere, because they should.
It's like, it's not about should or could. It's more like that there is a communication, right? That communication could have happened.
Yes.
if the communication take place, this would have been easier. But here, as you see in both the cases, where the early case the parent decided, as I didn't get, let me give everything what the child wants. Again, here parent decided, since giving too much is not right, let me decide what she needs, because she is a kid and I will decide the love. This is my love, my kind of love for the child, so that she doesn't commit a mistake. And the parents also said, we know that she is good at science, so she can do better in her studies and she will become a good doctor, and we don't want her to regret in her life, so that's why we are doing this for her.
But could they understand? I mean, after have going through all this process, the girl is going through all this process. Did the parent understand that?
No, the parent were this. They said, that is what they said. No, we love her, and that is the reason why. So, can you think of anybody doing something better than this?
Yeah, I remember when my my friend's daughter wanted a big Barbie doll. They have all these things now, very fancy setup of Barbie. She wanted all that. Her mother said, "Look, I can give you, but the space in our house won't support it because we do not have that much of space to keep it. But I can give you a bit later." And she told all this some examples. Ki dekho, चाहिए मैं दे सकती हूँ, but it is not कि space नहीं है, and I can give you a smaller amount of छोटा वाला Barbie doll, and I can give you the other things also. So can we do that? And I had seen whenever there is something, I mean, the child wants, whether it is good or bad, they try to tell her, they try to discuss with her, and that's how the child is now growing up and understand what is good, what to do, what to purchase, where to go, what to do. I think is it a better example? I don't know, because
Yeah, that is it. No, so the parents are in the loop always. Ki what is happening in the child's life
life.
till the child become an independent adult, right? So the discussion will give her a lot of understanding how the life goes, and how where she should spend her money, where she should not spend her money, and what she should purchase and what she should not purchase. And while
Even they discuss whatever happens at at her school or at her life, in her life. She comes and discuss everything with the parent, and I had seen they discuss it freely. And I use always, because at that time my daughter was not born, and I was like, is it the right way? But yes,
Yes, because we can see this girl child has grown as a very matured individual. At the age of 25, she is taking a proper decision.
yes.
So yes, so this is called love in abundance.
Yeah, मतलब ज़्यादा ना ज़्यादा चीनी ना कम चीनी, and it's not like this much or this much. It should be a balance somewhere.
Yes,
Right.
and we are no one to decide for this.
Yeah, every house have their own environment. मेरे घर में क्या होगा? You can give me suggestion, but क्या होगा? But I know what to do.
Yeah.
And how to do.
Yeah, the decision has to be made by you and according to your need. But then again, when you make a decision, you should keep your child's interest in view. It is very important to think about the child, because we are not the only human being. The child is also a human being who also need. So when we do this as the third case study, we can see the progress in the child. When we do this, the love is in abundance. It is not limitless or it is not limited.
Limited. Yeah.
It is in abundance. So every time, every moment, in everything, this child can feel the love of parents. So
That's true.
वो ऐसा है ना कि that Puri Prasad Khoja, if too much of sugar is there, can you think you will have a good taste of it?
No, and like that, and also it's like the kalonji.
Filling of kalonji.
Filling of kalonji is very few, but outer it looks very sweet. So it happens.
Both won't give you the properties, right? It is in the same way. So if you want your child to understand your love, it has to be in abundance. That means the child should feel the love in everything, in a proper way, not in limitless love. That means everything what the child wants, you give him or her, and whatever the child wants, you say no to it also.
Yes.
Always saying no to it. But again, I will ask Sharmishta, for example, suppose you are very busy, okay, and your daughter comes and wants to sit on your lap.
Sometimes I have to hug her because I understand maybe the work is important for me, but she's also important somewhere because she's my kid and I brought her into the world, so I have to pay attention somewhere. But if she throw tantrum, so I have to listen. I mean, even also somewhere.
Yeah. So when she throws tantrum, what we can do is that we should not ignore, or we should not. We can tell her. So once you finish crying, let us know what exactly you want.
Yes.
Yes, but we should not say yes when she's throwing the tantrum.
Yes.
Yeah, if she is asking politely for being hugged or sitting on your lap, you can take 2-3 minutes out and be with her for some time, and then you can say that I have work to finish. Once I finish, I will be there for you.
And child understands also. Many times they understand.
When we do that, the child understands. See, the importance what she needed, she got for a few seconds or few minutes, and she knows that after some time, Mama will give the importance.
Yes, that's right.
Right? So this is love in abundance. And when we are hugging our child and when we are giving love for 2-3 minutes between our busy schedule, it doesn't mean that we are giving a limitless love.
Yeah.
Yes. But again, Sharmisha, we have to understand there is no mantra.
Yeah, there is no mantra, but child understands the boundaries.
Yes.
Somewhere when you pay attention, not like, I mean, giving whatever they want, but telling them that these are the things, discussing with them, they know somewhere the boundaries, right?
Yes, that is what we are going to bring in the next episode. Yeah.
Right.
Hi, I'm Dr. Rini.
I am Dr. Sharmishta.
Today we are talking about love and abundance, the right balance for our kid.
And there is no formula for anything, I mean, parenting, but you have to understand what your situation is and how to go ahead with.
Yes, all families are different. There is no one set formula for everyone.
Yes.
So when we talk about love in abundance, it is that we are taking care of our child in a way that it is according to our circumstances. But at the same time, we need to set boundaries. That is very important for the child to understand the love that we give.
Yes.
So that throughout their life, they know this love is in abundance. It is not limitless or it is limited.
Yes.
Thank you all for listening and watching us.
Do write to us.
Yes. And if you have any questions, if you have any doubt, or if you are stuck in your parenting journey anywhere, do connect with us or put your questions in comment section or ask us for our mail ID. We will be sharing it with you anytime you ask for. Thank you once again for watching us, and bye. Take care.
Thank you. Take care.